Okay, so here are the bad noises with the disc brakes. It vibrates a lot. You can hear the vibration in the bike. As opposed with the right side, where it's rolling smoothly. You can hear the friction, but no weird sound. Okay, so this is the left side pad and disc. So you can see that the pad do not touch the disc. And then I'm going to press the lever. Now you see the pads now grip the disc correctly. They are adjusted the same way on the right side. This is the side that makes a lot of noise. And I have like 120 kilometers on it. I think the pad is clean. You can see little marks, but I think this is normal. They're not scratch, they're just marks. And they feel really smooth, like chrome. This is the left side that make noise. Now this is the right side, so you can see that the pad do not touch the disc. If I apply brake, now you see the pad touching the disc. So they are adjusted the same way on both sides. And this one also has the same mark, not scratch but marks, and feel really soft, like chrome. This is the right side that works well.